Showdown.
Okay, game. Unang tanong, Kuya Ruel. Rinig mo ba ako, Kuya Ruel? Unang tanong.
Yes, narinig ko.
Okay, next question. Ginamit mo sa presentation mo yung minimal facts ni Gary Habermas. Ang tanong ko ngayon sa'yo, Kuya Ruel, no? Tama ba? Tama ba at trustworthy si Habermas? Yes or no? Categorical.
Yes, it is. Because of syempre yung kanyang mga presentations and research na ginawa niya before. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, next question. Tanggap mo na tama at trustworthy itong si Habermas, no? Yung bang latag niyang minimal facts, Kuya Ruel, tanggap mo rin bang totoo yon at tama? Yes or no? Categorical.
Well, yes, because of the facts na naipresenta na as I've already pointed out, nai-research yun, naipresenta yun. Okay. And then, okay na yun. Thank you.
Okay, next question. Ginamit mo sa minimal facts kanina at sa presentation mo yung empty tomb na evidence.
Yes.
Tama?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Showdown po, moderator. Stop the time.
Stop time, please. Okay, so showdown. Sir Ruel, are you accepting the showdown po?
Okay, go for it.
Okay. Showdown, Sir Rowell, no? Kung mapakita ko ba, sinabi mismo ni Gary Habermas na hindi kasali ang empty tomb bilang ebidensya sa resurrection ni Kristo, tatanggapin mo, mali ka at mali si Habermas. Tatanggapin mo yung challenge? Yes or no? Categorical.
Well, yes, it is. If he really said it. At saka,
Objection, moderator.
Oh, wait lang. I just said it yes, okay? So go for it.
Eto, Sir Rowell, sabi mo kasi kanina, tinatanggap mo yung challenge na kung mapakita ko at mabasa ko, sinabi mismo ni Gary Habermas, hindi katanggap-tanggap ang empty tomb bilang ebidensya. Sabi mo, tanggap mo yung challenge. Ito yung challenge, Kuya Rowell. Sabi ni Habermas sa Liberty University, sa isang lathala niya, ang sabi niya, but I have never counted the empty tomb as a minimal fact. Bakit daw po? It is very obvious that it does not enjoy the near unanimity of scholarship. Sa madaling sabi po, 90% ng mga scholar, hindi sila makapagdesisyon at hindi nila matanggap ang empty tomb bilang minimal fact. Ginamit ni Sir Rowell kanina yan, yung minimal fact na empty tomb. Si Habermas pala, hindi pala isinama yan sa minimal fact. Paano ngayon yan, Sir Rowell? Tinatanggap po yung challenge na yan? Aaminin mo na po ba? Nagkamali ka at si Habermas?
Sorry to tell you, my friend, meron akong rebat dyan by means of quoting another book from the case for the resurrection of Jesus. But I will go on to deliver that later in the rebuttal. But anyway, thank you for that.
Okay, next question. Thank you po.
Start time, please. Thank you.
Okay, start the time. Resume po tayo. Okay.